Amazon Prime, how do I watch this problem? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the how do I watch this problem on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to go ahead and then basically solve the how do I watch this problem on Amazon Prime, right? First of all, what you have to do is this option actually usually occurs for iPhone users. So whenever you're trying to watch in the Prime Video app, it says how do I watch this, it is simply telling you that you cannot get the premium from the app, so you have to use your browser to get the premium, because as of the latest rule, Amazon completely removed the way to make in-app purchases, so you have to actually get the premium. And if you're interested in getting the Prime premium, you can open up your browser and you can simply go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will make sure to drop a link below. Go here, log into your Amazon account, tap on start your free 30-day trial option, then simply enter your credit or debit card, and then you will be able to go ahead and then basically finish up with the changes. This way you can go ahead and then basically actually solve the how do I watch this problem for Amazon Prime. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.